Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Press the Windows key plus E to open File Explorer immediately. The window shows a left navigation pane, a top ribbon, and a main pane. The address bar displays the current folder path as text and clickable segments. Quick Access lists pinned and recent folders for faster opening. The ribbon exposes Home, Share, and View commands for common tasks. The status bar shows file counts and selected sizes when you select items in the main. Click any segment in the address bar to jump to that folder quickly. You can also paste a full path and press Enter to open it instantly. Use the search box in the top right to filter files inside the current folder. Type part of a file name or extension like PDF to limit results. Right-click folders and choose Pin to Quick Access to create one-click shortcuts. Use back and forward arrows to retrace recent locations efficiently. Select one file and press Ctrl to add non-adjacent files to the selection. Hold Shift and click to select a continuous range of files together. Use Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to copy and paste, or Ctrl plus X to cut and move items between folders. Drag and drop offers a quick move when using the same drive. Use the View ribbon to toggle details, large icons, or list views for different file previews. Right-click a file and choose Properties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.